My name is Shy Moss, and I'm a wealth strategist. And my focus is on helping individuals build wealth and create legacies for themselves and their families. Now, one of the ways to build generational wealth is by handling our stuff, okay? Our mental stuff, our emotional stuff. Yeah, I know that's not the fun. It's not the fun, sexy part of wealth strategy, but the truth is I can give you all the strategies I have, and it's not going to be effective until you actually start working on yourself. Okay, so what does it mean to have a money conscience? Money conscious is basically being aware of how money makes you feel, okay? And what it means to you, and what does it mean to your lifestyle? Because everything is always deeper. Everything happens spiritually before it happens on the physical realm. And I know a lot of times for some people, it's hard to believe. It's hard for them to kind of wrap their minds around that, but it's the truth. It just is what it is. Okay? And so say for instance, let's see. If money makes you feel empowered, right? If it makes you feel in control, it's something deeper to that. So where in your life have you not felt in control? Where in your life have you not felt empowered? It could have been something that happened years ago when you were a child, and then you've kind of leaned and connected to money, thinking that, oh, well, money is giving me back something that was taken from me, right? And when you really actually understand money is just a tool, right? It's an energetic tool, but it's just a tool. You should already feel empowered. You should already feel in control. So if you're not, then you have to really start digging deep into that. If you're not getting a promotion and a raise on your job, why are you not getting a promotion or a raise on your job, right? Why are you feeling that you're being ignored? Were you ignored when you were younger? You know what I'm saying? These patterns just come up in our lives, and it's just in our subconscious mind. And sometimes we are not even aware that we have these issues that's coming up, but it's coming up and it's coming up in our paychecks, and we don't like that. So we're going to work on that, right? So we're going to learn how to have a money consciousness, okay? So whatever you do, I want you to feel, when it comes to your money, feel it, okay? One of the things, this is a tip, this is a homework assignment, I think, for everybody, is one thing that we like to do, us as humans, we like to ignore some stuff that we don't like to deal with. And one of those things is our bills. So if we don't want to really pay our bills, we kind of just hide it. We might throw it in a drawer, throw it in a box somewhere in the back of our mind. But when you're doing this, you are still like holding this space. And it causes a clog in your finances where money is supposed to just flow to you, right? It's just a stream of money just flowing to you. That's how money is supposed to work. It just flow. It's an ease. It's not hard. It's not none of that. But when you start feeling, oh my God, it's a blockage. It's stopped up somewhere. You have to figure out where that blockage, where that clog is at, and unclog it ASAP. So one of the things that we do is we hide our bills. And what is that doing? That's doing nothing but clogging up your money flow. So what we want to do is take out all of our bills and keep inventory of it, right? Write down all of your bills and the amount that's owed and tackle it, okay? Whether it's the smallest amount, for some people like to tackle the smallest amount, and it makes them feel good. It makes them feel empowered. And it's supposed to, because when you actually start being conscious of and taking control over your life, you do start feeling this liberating spirit, this feeling of liberation. You start feeling joy. You start feeling responsible, right? And guess what? All that is doing is, all it does is just rise your vibration, okay? You're raising your vibration, okay? And that's what you want. But when you're hiding it, you don't know that, like, subconsciously, you may not be aware, but it's lowering your vibration. Then eventually you get sick and just like all this other kind of mess happens. But because you're just blocking stuff out instead of just actually dealing with it. So we're going to deal with it. We're going to deal with our bills. The same thing with your credit report. It is so easy to ignore what's on our credit report, especially if you do not apply for credit. A lot of times people know they've had junk on their credit for 6 to 7 years, probably even longer than that. And they will not even acknowledge it until they're going out and they're trying to get a car or buy a home or do something and they've been denied. And it's like, whoop, there it is. Let me handle this. Right? So let's pull out our credit report. Let's look at it and let's just start working on it. Okay? The $100,000 of student loan debt is not going anywhere. I don't care if it did get erased off your credit. What you're gonna know is that you cannot just not pay the government, because they're gonna find a way to get you. Okay? So even if it's off your credit, that's something that you still need to deal with, and it is somewhere spiritually clogging you up. Even though you're ignoring it, it's causing a clog in your money flow. And so sometimes the easiest thing is to just deal with it. Here's $1. You could, with your student loans, you can start paying them back $1. Yes, you can. And then you'll be surprised of how just that little bit just eases you up, how it raises your vibration, how it makes you feel so much better, and how your money will just start flowing in. So today's assignment: face it. Face your bills and face whatever is on your credit report, and let's just start getting those things together so that you can live in abundance, okay? All right, so bye-bye till next time.